the people that have more financial education will always be 10 steps ahead of you. What's going on, guys? This is Big Ben. We are live. We are going to talk about this massive dump. And a lot of moon boys are freaking out because moon boys do not have financial education. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a full-time day trader. And I trade I swing trade the crypto market. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button now. Okay, this is what I do full time. I day trade the financial markets, swing trade crypto, only by looking at the charts. I don't care about the news. I don't care what your favorite YouTuber is saying. I don't care about anything but what's in front of me. All right. So if you want to learn how to become a professional, if you want to learn the financial markets and have financial education, hit that subscribe button right now. So let's get to the charts. We are going to look at it. I'm going to basically tell you what I think and much more. All right. If you have any questions, you can type it in. I appreciate everybody that's tuning in. Appreciate all my subscribers. So let's go. Let me pop this out real quick. All right. And for you guys that's actually watching that replay, you can actually go to the settings button, hit 1.5 or 2, hit the speed button, hit 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the replay, okay? Turn a half an hour video into a 15-minute video. So let's get the party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay? So let's go. Good to see you guys here. I appreciate it. So let's go. Alrighty. Coin market cap. Bitcoin dominance 61.8. Market cap is at 311, right? $1 billion. Bitcoin down double digits. Ethereum down double digits. XRP down double digits. Bitcoin Cash down double digits. Litecoin double digits. EOS double digits. All right. So a lot of coins are down a lot today. So we are going to look at the charts and basically answer some questions. So let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin decided to. Okay. Now let's go back to the chart. Right now we talked about this before. Okay. I told you guys I'm looking for around that 12,000 level. Okay, for massive support. Okay. I told you guys that they might blow past the 12,000 level just a little bit and retrace. And we hit the 12,000 and then, it went up crazy. But if you look at it, we sold right back. So this 12,000 level, okay, and at 13,000 level, a lot of sellers around here. Now, remember why I said that. Why did I say I'm looking at that 12,000 level? Well, very simple, guys. Okay, when we broke out of this triangle, right? The top of the triangle, and basically when we broke out of this triangle right here, and we was going up, and we was blowing past every resistance zone, I can tell that the market itself, was racing. Okay, to hit a certain number. I hope you guys remember me saying this over and over and over. When the market is acting like this, when it's not really pulling back and it's going, that means that the market is racing to hit a certain number. It is not going to pull back a lot until it hits that certain number. Remember when I said that, right? Okay, so automatically, when I saw it, Bitcoin blowing past these resistance zones, I said to myself, well, I'm looking for that major level, which is 12,000, because it's the top of this big triangle, right? Now, we got to this 12,000 mark, and it went past it, maybe a couple of grand, and then slammed right back down, all right? Now, the reason why I'm looking at this is because a lot of people will put stop loss right here, and they go back and smack these guys out, take out these stop losses, and then voila, okay? Now, this crash is actually, you can tell that they were searching for that number, okay? So we went close to, we didn't even hit the 14,000. I don't think we hit the 14,000, but they went close to the 14,000. And that's the number they were searching for, right? You can tell. This is what I try to explain to you guys. If you've been listening to my live streams, I tell you guys, you're going to notice, okay, when these guys hit that certain number, because it's going to be obvious. And you can tell that it's obvious because the amount of sellers that's in this market right now. Now, let's go to the 4-hour chart. And let's see sellers coming in right here. Let's see if this is a top, or is this just a pullback and it wants to continue. All right. But this is a lot of selling, a lot. And you have to be careful, all right? Now, this breakout right here, these guys are, did they go below this breakout? Let me see here. The candle is this right here. So the low of this candle is 10,031, okay? The low of this candle is 10,033, so no. So most likely we will continue to go down lower, all right? So we will most likely continue to go down lower. They didn't even go below this candle right here, which most likely they will. All right. So they want to probably wipe these guys out that went long right here, and if we go down, if we continue to go down, the next stop could be this breakout right here. All right. All right. Now, this is why it's very important, guys. Very important. I preach this all the time. Learn how to read the charts. The Moon Boys are scrambling, guys. Scrambling. Hadouken! Okay? Scrambling right now. What should I do? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Is this a pullback, or, what should I do? I don't know. And guys like me, I'm just calm. Hadouken! So right now we are watching this, and we are taking this day by day, waiting for the market to give us more information. But let's go to your guys' questions. Actually, let's go to these other charts real quick, because some of these charts look ugly, guys. All right, Litecoin, ugly. All right, Ethereum, ugly. Bitcoin Cash, ugly. All right. XRP, real ugly. Let me see. Litecoin. No, we did Litecoin already. TRX, ugly. All right. So we have to wait it out and see what's going on. Let me see here. Bitcoin Cash, yeah. So and last live stream before I got off the live stream, I told you guys that it was a possibility, right? Because price was going up. So I said, guys, it's a possibility that we can go up just a little bit and drop right back down and wipe these guys out. Okay, that's the last. I'll probably just say that's probably the last thing I said on my last live stream. Okay. Because it was looking to go up, so I was like, it looks like it's trying to make a new high. But I also told you guys it is a possibility, since we didn't really pull back a lot, that we can drop back down. All right. So let's get to these questions. Boy, let's get to these questions, guys. All right. Hadouken! Let's get to them. Let's go. Dustin, what's going on, bro? Dom, Joseph, Key, what's going on, guys? Ashley, Keith, Andrew. Okay. What happened to Michael? What Michael said? Kentucky. All right, guys. Listen, guys. If you have questions, type it in. I know a lot of guys have questions, so don't act like you don't have any questions. I've been doing this going on for 12 years, and basically take advantage of my knowledge and this live stream. So I'm going to look at the questions right now. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button right now, because I will give you high quality information, and I don't really care about your feelings or try to hype things up. I'm just going to give you the real deal. Okay. So let's see if I see anything. Dom said, time to buy the dips. What's going on, Joseph? You said you back. Shout out to you. Everybody's saying buy the dips. Aki said, I was hoping that you was going live yesterday after a sell-off. Yeah, I went live yesterday. Last night. Michael sounds mad, bro. Michael said, what's going on? Every time Bitcoin sell, you put sell. Michael sounds mad, bro. Michael, it's okay. It's okay, bro. You can calm down. You are a hero, man. Shout out to you. Kentucky said, I bought some. You said you bought at 10K and you sold it at 11. Hope it's dumped more. Okay. All right. MK Valley, 6K XRP, 15 cents or 25 cents. Like I said, we have to see, like right now, as we speak, okay, this market could find some support somewhere, right? And we can continue to go back up. We can make a new high, all right? That's not the only thing can happen, okay? So yes, I'm waiting to see if Bitcoin can actually find support somewhere, and to see if we can actually continue to go back higher. Okay, but that's not the only scenario. The next scenario could be, we can not make another high and continue to sell, wipe everybody out, and go lower. All right. I'm prepared for both scenarios. Most of you guys are not. Most of you guys are going to continue to buy the dips, which is, like at the end of the day, it is what it is. Some of you guys didn't learn from the last bear market, and most of you guys will probably never learn, all right? Because most of you guys don't know how to read the charts. But me personally, I'm prepared for both scenarios. Whatever Bitcoin is thrown at me, I'm prepared to short this thing or to go long. And that's about it. All right. This thing can go either way, and it is what it is. Most moon boys right now are too cocky, and they swear that this is the bottom, and we're going to a 100K, and that's it. And they're going to become a millionaire by next year or something like that. So it is what it is. I can't really help those guys. I try to give these guys information, but I know for a fact, I can't change them. So it is what it is. Either way, I'm prepared for both scenarios. Let me see if and like I said before, I hope you guys are taking profits. I hope you guys are taking profits, man. This could end nasty, or we can go higher. All right, either way. But you have to be prepared. You have to become a professional. and not only think everything is just going to go up. Yeah, man, these moon boys. So right now, it looks like the market will continue to sell. I'm looking for, I don't think we hit that low. Okay, so I'm looking for the market to continue to go lower, right? To make another low, maybe today or tomorrow. And from there, we have to see what's going to happen, okay, with Bitcoin. But this caught a lot of people off guard. I hope nobody bought at the top right here. If you did buy at the top, only thing I can tell you is get some help. One way, or one thing can actually help you is just understanding how to learn their charts. Okay, so go get this course. I have a course for you guys that don't understand how to make profits from this market. Here's this course right here, Crypto Profit 3.0. It's my latest course. It comes with an indicator that helps you out so you won't force trades. And it comes with me mentoring you guys. We're going to meet up once a week for 1 month straight. We have a couple of weeks left. We're going to meet up this Sunday. And if you can't make it, you actually could get the replay. And I'm going to give you guys my real feelings about the charts and all that stuff, and how to take advantage of this, how you can do this full time, all right? How you can make money now, because most of you guys don't know how to make money now. Here's that link. I usually give you guys that discount, so let me do that right quick. Here's that discount. Check that out. This will show you how to make money both ways, going short and going long, okay? It's not all about just hodling. It's actually about both, taking advantage of the market, going up and down. So you guys have to let me see. All right, so I just gave you guys that link. So let me see if I see anything here. Guys, type in your questions, all right? Type in your questions, guys, please. Big H said he bought Bitcoin at 7,400 and he sold it at 12,000. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Let me give you that ka-ching button. Let me give you that flex button. Give you that bomb, bro. And let me give you a round of applause. Okay? Let me give you a round of applause. Because Big H is somebody that been listening to my live streams, and now he understands he have to take profits when he see them, right? Most of you guys are looking at the market going straight up and thinking about 100K, 500K. Actually, let me play a video, guys, of one of your favorite YouTubers, okay? Here's a video of one of your favorite YouTubers that he have a lot of videos saying that Bitcoin go to 100K, even $1 million. But listen to what he said today. You have to listen to this, guys. Listen to this right now. Let me make sure this is up.
Very profitable trade. Nothing wrong with taking profits. Don't be too greedy. That is going to be our motto for the next bull market. You guys know it. I announced it on the live stream yesterday as well. We really have to play this market cautiously and sometimes be happy with decent profits. Okay, they don't always have to be 100x or whatever. I think you understand.
Let me rewind that. Let me say that again.
Very profitable trade. Nothing wrong with taking profits. Don't be too greedy.
Nothing wrong with taking profits. Don't be too greedy. Go ahead. Let me hear that.
Continue. Be our motto for the next bull market. You guys.
That's going to be our motto for the next bull market. What? Oh my gosh. Go ahead.
I announced it on the live stream yesterday as well. We really have to play this market cautiously.
Oh, we have to play this market cautiously? Oh my gosh. Go ahead, keep on.
And sometimes be happy with decent profits, okay? They don't
And be happy with decent profits? Oh man. Go ahead.
always have to be 100x or whatever. I think
It doesn't have to be always 100x. Oh my gosh. Whoo! Somebody's learning. Somebody's learning. Y'all moon boys, bro. Some of y'all moon boys will never learn because you have this imaginary number, all right? And you think that we are going to $1 million, 500K, or whatever, and you will never take profits because you're waiting for that number. Guys, the name of the game is taking profits. You can always get back in the market, right? The market never goes straight up. It always pull back. So you can always get back in the market. Stop being that, that guy that's always trying to go all in and make, $1 million by tomorrow. Okay? Sonny has a lot of videos saying Bitcoin going to 100K, $1 million. If he really feels that Bitcoin is going to 100K, $1 million, why is he taking profits? Why just not ride it all the way to the top? You know why? He just told you. You got to be cautious this time, guys. Man, I just laugh, guys, because it's funny because a lot of moon boys, back in 2018 when I was trying to help them out, guys. Just trying to help them out. Trying to tell these guys, take profits. Stop buying these dips. Wait for confirmation. And now when his price is going up, guys, take profits. Okay? Stop going all in. Stop doing this. Stop doing that. Some of you guys will never learn, but it's all good. All right? Now, we are, I have to wait to see if we catch some support right here. I do believe that we will go down probably one more time. Okay, so be prepared for that, and we might go below that 10,000 mark. Okay, so just be prepared for that. We might go below that 10,000 mark. If it's not today, it'll probably be tomorrow. And it's just what it is. You gotta be prepared for it. Now, when we go below that 10,000 mark, I want to see if we go below that 10,000 mark, I want to see if they will hold some type of support and and hold this market up. Okay. But shout out to everybody that's new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to make money now from the markets. I'm going to do a private live stream this Sunday coming up. If you can't make it, you will get the recordings. The only way you can get that is you get the new course. I gave you guys that discount just right now, so check that out. If you don't have the link, here's the link again. And also, just you always have to be prepared for everything, okay? Most people always, especially, the crypto market, always want to think one way and not think, about different scenarios. All right, I talked about a lot of scenarios on my live stream. One of them was this. Okay, I told you guys that we can go to that 12,000 mark around there. Go down, go up here, trying to go back down, maybe retest it and go right back down. Okay, we could do something like that. Crash down all the way back down, maybe make a new low. And then maybe find support somewhere down here and then maybe bounce from there. Or we can just basically go down lower and find support here and bounce up and make a new high. Okay? But you have to know all the scenarios. You can't be that guy that's, ignore the different possibilities, because once you ignore the different possibilities, you will always get caught off guard. And you always blame the wells, you will always blame manipulation, you will always blame everybody else but yourself. How about blame you? How about blame yourself for not educating yourself and learning how the market moves? You want to blame everybody else. That's why I get a lot of moon boys out on my channel. They get mad at me, right? They get mad at me like I did something. Like I'm moving it. I'm moving the market. Like, bro, what are you talking about? You getting mad at me like I'm moving the market. I'm not doing nothing, bro. I'm chilling back, relaxing, making profits. And I think you should be doing that too. Not get mad at me. I don't control nothing. Instead of getting mad at me, how about look at yourself and you take full responsibility and learn how things work. So let's see if I see any questions here, guys. Hey, if we bought the 2.0, do we get a discount on the 3.0? Hey, Dustin, the 3.0, right? This is the discount right here. All right, this is for everybody because this is a new course. All right, it's not really an update. It's a new course. This new course comes with an indicator, and it comes with me as a mentor. All right, this is the number one thing that will help you out. So this Sunday coming up, I'm going to give you guys, how I really feel about the market. You can ask me all the questions, what I'm looking for, if I want to go short, okay, what the signals that I'm looking for, and if I want to go long, I'm tell you what I'm looking for, and much more. I'm trying to mentor you guys so you can do this full time and understand how the market works. All right, I'm giving you my time. So this is the discount right here, Dustin. So anybody want to take advantage of that, like I said, it's only for the live stream. When I get off, it goes back to the regular price. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, man, Hadouken. Yo, Ben, did you see that price froze on 11.3 to 12K on 11 JAVX? I was trying to go long, but it kept saying disabled. JAVX don't allow U.S. clients anymore, so I don't have that. But most likely it was because of yesterday. They disabled trading for I think for maybe 12 hours or so. So that's why. But I don't know if it was today or what you're talking about. I don't know if that, let me know if that was today. Machine said, honey, signing decree is the most emotional trade. What's going on, Keith? Big H said, how low do you think? No one knows, man. You got to take it day by day. Okay, Big H, come to my private live stream. We're gonna talk about a lot of stuff. All right. This Sunday, if you can't make it, you will get all the recordings. But you gotta take it day by day. We don't know how low Bitcoin can go. All right. I told you that I'm looking for it to go a little bit lower, and most likely it probably will pass that 10K mark. And we just have to see if it will hold that 10K. Eric, what's going on, bro? We going to 3K? Shh. We definitely gonna see. I don't know. We have to wait for Bitcoin to hold some type of support. So Mark said so the TA is we might go up or we might go down and just need to be prepared. Mark, that is funny, Mark. That is funny. But I can tell that you are a moon boy and you don't know exactly what you're talking about. just wondering, do you keep your crypto on a ledger? If I'm holding crypto, I will keep it on a ledger. Yes. But I don't do any long-term holds on crypto like that. You know, I care about making money now definitely from crypto. Edwin, do you think Bitcoin has bottomed out? No. I mean, we have to wait for a new high. Okay, that's the only. I told you guys multiple times. That's the only way we know for sure this is a new bottom. Bitcoin has to create a new high. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. So I've been listening every morning. There's blood in the water. It's bad time to sell. Do you agree, or are we going down? Like I said, Richard, the best thing to do is just play it. Put like this: the best thing to do is learn how to read the charts. That's number one. Okay. If you don't know how to read the charts, you will always get caught off guard. You will always mess up. You will always be that guy that don't know what he or she is doing. So, learn how to read the charts. Other than that, you got to take it day by day, week by week. I wish I can tell you, hey man, yeah man, we're not going down. I mean, if I wanted more subscribers, I would say that, but I'm not here for subscribers. I'm here to give you guys the truth. Any chance of a retrace before the next drop? Maybe a little bit, maybe a little retrace. Isn't this a square up? What do you mean square up? 11 plus. Yeah, no problem, man. It's a lot of exchanges. Hugo's Ways. Different exchanges you can use. Ivan said, I've been here since 17, baby. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, hit those likes too. Dom said hit those likes. So if Dom said it, I agree with him. Hit those likes right now. your hand is not going to fall off. Dustin said, okay, I'm going to try to buy your new course this week. I want to get better. Yeah, man, come join me this Sunday, guys. Come join me this Sunday. We're going to have that private meeting. And we're going to talk about a lot. I'm going to talk about how you can play this market and much more. Okay? Most of you guys are on the sidelines, really don't know what to do. You're freaking out. Put it like this. If Bitcoin continue to put it like this, let me before I get out of here, right? For all your guys that are on the sidelines and you're waiting for Bitcoin to continue to go up, let me ask you this question, okay? What if Bitcoin does something like this? All right. My next question is, are you prepared for that? Most of you guys are not. Because I heard, a lot of, I'm going to buy the dips. I mean, as soon as I went live, I'm buying the dips. Oh my gosh, I'm buying the dips. Oh man, whew, can't wait to buy the dips. What if Bitcoin decides to do something like that? I can guarantee you 95%, I would say 90. I'm gonna say less because most of you guys know what to do. I would say 70 or 60% of you guys that's listening don't know what to do. You'll freak out. You'll probably be depressed. I don't freak out when I see things like this. I'm rubbing my hands because this is Christmas for me, right? I'm rubbing my hands when I see things like this. Because I know how to take advantage of both ways. And I want you guys to get to that point too. But at the end of the day, I can't force you to do that. I'm good. You know, I'm not going to try to force you to do anything. I mean, you don't have to do anything. all I'm saying is, what if Bitcoin decides to do this? Are you prepared? Most of you guys are not. But anyway, it was good talking to you guys. I might do another live stream later on for the late night people. If I see any more questions, let me see before I get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions. Keith said, gets Ben course, put in that time, that TA work, man. Shout out to you. Mike said, I just bought your course. Shout out to you, bro. You bought it today or just right now? Let me give you a round of applause. Mike is one of those guys that want to. Let me give you a round of applause. He wants to learn how to take advantage of the market. Okay, learn how to make money from the market, no matter what the market does. Right? Most people freak out if it goes up or it goes down. No, actually, when it goes down, they freak out. Oh my gosh, I just put my whole paycheck in the market. It's going down. I don't know what to do. Well, you know, I mean, I try to tell you. Man. Let me see here. Garam said, I just joined. Where do you think BTC will crash to? What's your price targets? Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for joining in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I put it like this. I don't know where Bitcoin will go. No one knows. All right. All I'm saying is I believe we will make another low. Okay. Because I believe that they are going to wipe these guys out. These guys that went long based on this breakout. So if they wipe these guys out, most likely they will continue to go lower and probably go below that 10,000 mark. Now, if they do go below that 10,000 mark, we have to see if buyers buy that up. All right. So we just waiting to see for the right support, or if the buyers come in at, you know, and try to bring this market back up. But if you want to join me Sunday on a private live stream, let me know. I have a course for you guys, and that course will help you learn how to read the charts and make money now from the markets. And also you have me for going on. We had 2 weeks already, so a couple more weeks left. You're gonna have me as your mentor, all right? And I'm gonna show you how I'm able to do this full time. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on crypto. So here's that link if you want to take advantage of that. Like I said, it's a live stream discount. And when I go off a live, you basically have to pay the regular price. Let me see. The market has become a big, huge playing field for the whales. Let me see. Yeah, man. Yep. They pump BTC, horrible fundamentals, try to attract and trap masses into the market, eventually dump on them again. So shout out to machine learning. Machine learning sounds like a guy that is prepared, and he understands what's going on behind the scenes. All right, he understands that eventually it could be a dump, and this market could catch you off guard. All right, I told you guys this before. You always have to be prepared. Only way you're going to be prepared if you become a professional. Most of you guys don't want to become a professional. You want to go to work. You want to come back home. You want to go play video games. You want to, go on Facebook, go on Instagram, look at the news, talk to your favorite YouTuber, and you don't want to study. You don't want to work. You don't want to know what's really going on. Okay? And you think everything's okay. You think everything's going to go up to the moon. You think everything is just going up and you're going to make $1 million next year. Hey, man, what if? What if things start crashing again? You don't think about that. The reason why you don't want to think about that because you don't want to take out the time to learn how things work. We also know what happened after the launch of CME. Yeah, futures and discipline back then. BTC dumped big time again before BAT goes live. When is BAT go live? When BAT goes live? Is it this month? Next month? Queen races. I want us to go down so I can buy back in. I already took my profits. And Tone Vage just said that we going to 3K. I don't think we don't have to go to 3K, man. You know, we can find support somewhere. All right, we can find support somewhere, and we can make another high, and go to that 1400 mark, maybe 1500, and then we have to see from there. But we don't have to go straight to 3K right now, right? We can find support somewhere, but just got to be careful because. You can tell that this selling right here is different than any other pullback that we had, right? Look at these pullbacks that we had before. Little we we dumped here, but as soon as we dumped, buyers bought it up, little, and then boom, big. So that's telling us that this area right here is something special. It's an area where these guys wanted to go and wanted to sell a lot. So just you got to be cautious. You got to be careful. You can't play around. You can't be too cocky. So yeah, I mean anything is possible. We can continue to sell and go lower, go lower, go lower, go lower, go lower. Yeah, that's a possibility too. But I'm thinking we could probably catch support somewhere and probably make a new high. We'll see. Hey, what's going on, Adrian? Yeah, machine. Like you said, I don't. You said I don't mean it will happen 100% sure, but people need to be aware exactly, and that's what I do on my channel. I'll let people know that you have to be aware of things because if you're just a guy that's only thinking one way, you're gonna get wiped out. What's going on, V? You said you just got back from the gym. You said your nice trades on the CL today, man. Shout out to you. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. I don't know. I might, depending on how I feel, go live later on. But I wish all you guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Don't get too cocky. Learn how to read the charts. Learn what to look for when you are buying. And much more, guys. I mean, this is not a game. This is this is literally your what do you call that? Your hard-earned money. Okay, so I don't know why some of you guys think this is a game. You playing with your hard-earned money like it's some video game. So, it's time to learn and get serious and understand how things work. So talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, definitely email me. And Adrian, what's my advice for the next few hours? Wait for a signal, Adrian. Wait, if you just wait, man, bro. Don't force anything. But Adrian, come join us this Sunday. Everyone will go short, then the Wells will push it to 16K. I don't know about that, but we can definitely make a new high. All right. But like I said, we have to take this day by day. Talk to you guys later, and make sure you have a good day.